Hello, MotoAuto Trends viewers. Today, we're bringing you an important update about Xiaomi's SU7 electric sedan. A software issue in the autonomous parking system has led to a major recall program, and it's making headlines. We'll dive into the details of the problem, Xiaomi's solutions, and what affected vehicle owners need to do. Let's get started. Xiaomi has launched a comprehensive recall program to address an autonomous parking system issue affecting some of its SU7 electric sedan models. This recall, involving a total of 30,931 vehicles, covers SU7 standard models manufactured between February and November 2024. The issue stems from a software error in the autonomous parking system, which can lead to unexpected accidents during parking. The problem first came to light in November 2024, when a user reported unexpected movements from their vehicle while parking. Following Xiaomi's investigations, the issue was identified as a timing error in the system's cloud-based synchronization, which disrupted the parking system's algorithms. This error caused sensors to malfunction, resulting in inaccurate detection and parking maneuvers that led to scratches and collisions. In response, Xiaomi acted swiftly to address the issue by enhancing its cloud infrastructure and adding additional safety measures to the parking system. After implementing these improvements, the company announced that the likelihood of recurrence had been entirely eliminated. Xiaomi verified the reliability of the solution through extensive testing over 2 months. The recall process has been designed to allow vehicle owners to resolve the issue with minimal hassle. Xiaomi is offering a free software update that owners can download online without the need to visit a service center. The update can be directly installed via the vehicle's internal connectivity system, with all necessary notifications sent to owners regarding the process. This move not only highlights Xiaomi's commitment to customer satisfaction, but also underscores the seriousness of software errors in autonomous vehicle technologies. Owners of the affected vehicles are strongly encouraged to install the update as soon as possible. Will Xiaomi be able to solve this issue? Xiaomi's swift actions and comprehensive testing show their determination to resolve the problem entirely. While the company assures that the implemented updates have eliminated the risk of recurrence, time will tell if this fix restores full confidence in their autonomous parking technology. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.